This is America's B-1 Lancer, a deadly predator in the sky. At low speed, its wings stretch wide, but as it speeds up, they sweep back like a hunter locking in. 44 meters long, 42-meter wingspan, Mach 1.2 top speed, up to 75,000 pounds of payload.
This diagram shows the assembly of a turbocharger. First, the compressor housing aligns with the bearing housing. Next, the shaft and turbine assembly is threaded into the bearing housing. Finally, the wastegate actuator is attached. A turbocharger uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine. This rotation powers a compressor, which draws in and pressurizes air. The compressed air is then fed into the engine, boosting its power.